Welcome to the video 19 of our Adobe Premiere Pro classes. In this video, you are going to learn how to remove the background noise for your audio clips. By inbuilt, this effect is there in the Premiere Pro. If you want some more crazy effects, I highly recommend you that install the Adobe Audition software. In that you can tweak a lot of things. That software is basically for audio editing. As you can see, this is the track I selected, audio clip. Go to the effects panel and search for denoise. Denoise. As you can see, this is the option. Simply drag and drop it to the audio clip. In the effects control panel, this is how the option will be shown. If in case you are not seeing any of these panels, go to the window menu and enable from here. Maybe accidentally you cancelled, you removed that, but don't worry, you will get back. Just enable from here. In the denoise, we are going to click on custom setup. Click on edit. Now, if you play the video, this is how the interface will looks like. This is the default. If you click on this drop down arrow, you can see light noise reduction and next is heavy noise reduction. So whatever the lines you are seeing on the top side, this is all noise. This is the clean noise. I highly recommend you that do not cut all the noise in your video. Just make some subtle changes. That's it. Because in our earth, everything is noisy. Even if I am very calm in this video, the background noise will come. So make sure that noise like very subtle will be there. And when it comes to the processing focus, this is going to be differ depending on where you are recorded your audio clip. If in case you are recording in indoors, so it focus only on the mid tones. You can see mid frequencies, and from here with the slider you can decrease or increase it. So just go through all these settings. As I told just now, depending on where you recorded your video, it changes, guys. And that's it, guys. This is how you can remove the background noise in your audio clips. That's all for this. See you again in the next course video.